Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a very interesting composition. Friends, you know this composition is specially summer season composition. Here some friends are collecting mangoes. See, at first we have to draw the boy. See the boy. When you will draw the boy, at that time you have to find out the particular place, from where we are starting the drawing. Okay, friends, see, at first we have to complete his drawing, and he's collecting the mango with a stick. Okay, see, at first we have to draw his drawing properly. After that we can draw another friend, and she is also collecting the mangoes, but both are not same figure, both are not same posture. Okay, see the drawing properly. At first we'll complete the boy, then we'll draw a tree, mango tree. Okay, now students, see, almost our tree also completed. Just here we'll add some mangoes. Okay, so friends, see here, here we'll draw another friends, but it's better we can draw layout with pencil drawing. So if we want to make the composition properly, we can apply the layout, so it will be easy to draw the composition. Okay, so at first try to complete the layout properly. After that we can use the anything, black sketch pen or black pen. Okay friends, so friends, see, our second figure also completed, almost completed. Now we'll go third figure. So friends, see, here we are making a composition. When we will draw the third figure, at that time we have to follow the particular starting place. Okay, or we can start the lady, second figure. So it's better we have to follow the particular gap. Okay, so friends, see, this composition is a very interesting composition, and if you want, you can make this composition. And I told so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with me. Okay, and if you like this type of videos, please don't forget to share with your friends and relatives. Okay friends, bye.